Hello and welcome to your final E-Prime for 2022. Can you believe it? I'm Daedran. Now, Etana, Jamil and Christopher Martin were on the bill for Sting 2022 this past Boxing Day. E-Prime caught up with the top acts backstage, starting with Chris Martin, who guaranteed his fans a set to remember. He told E-Prime that Sting should be treated as a new show.
It's the first year, so let's just treat it like it's a new show. You know, and just to start a fresh slate. So we want to see it reach to that stage and that status again. That's all there is, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. It a go work, man. It a go bossy.
Dancehall diva Pampute and new act Eagle Boss added their take on the state of dancehall music.
Dancehall can't dead, man. No time at all. From a see Pampute, you see dancehall. From a hear Pampute, you hear dancehall. I mean, a voice of dancehall.
Dancehall is really devalued based on the artist that is on the forefront. The thing they sing about, nowadays me hear man talk about dance and them thing they're not gonna really go nowhere in a dancehall for real. So you can't blame the fans them, but we are here, great educated youth like we, they have to stand up for dancehall.
We still call it dancehall, but you have to understand, the youth them just mix it. Just like me, people classify my music as reggae, but it's a fusion of different genres. At the end of the day, music is sound. You see me, and from it sound good to the ears, people are going to gravitate.
Martin left with some words of encouragement for upcoming acts.
Being their first time on stage, you don't know, nervousness can play a big role in it. So, how they would want to come across in their performance, execute the right way. But I love for them are going with, you see me? Yeah. For those who are popular and for those who don't have a popular song as yet, them go up on the stage and them do them thing, and I appreciate that. Remember, say we have done this for 18 years. You see me? So if they want to be in the music for that amount of years with that amount of longevity, they have to just work on them craft.
Now, Etana, who is on a high from her latest Grammy nomination for Africa-inspired album Pamoja, told E-Prime that this year was a very busy year for her.
This is the year when they open up all the festivals and all the shows around the world. So I toured through America, then I went to Europe, then I went to in the Caribbean, and then I came back over in America and finished the year with Sting.
Etana also spoke on her new album coming up in 2023.
So the new album will be coming out in the second quarter of 2023, but of course I'm going to do all the preparation and everything that I have to do to make sure that I release the album properly, and to do all the shows that gives me the opportunity to perform all of the songs from the beginning all the way to now.
And Jamil, who is also celebrating his 2022 album Legend, gave us a scoop on his year.
The album did exceptionally well, man. You don't know, we have Massacre on the album. We have, as you can hear, they do a song where the color up on the stage in my set. And we have Stone Boy also. We have Version, who was once my rival, and we come together and make a great song for the people. So you don't know, the people them still can't check it out. It's there, Legend.
Now let's see what dancehall and reggae will have in store for us come 2023. Starting with fireworks on the waterfront this New Year's Eve, featuring Kevin Downswell, Yaksta, Etana, Busy Signal, Tony Rebel, and so much more. I'm Daedran with your final E-Prime for 2022. Happy New Year when it comes.